Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be very exciting. We're going to be playing with some products from INH, insert name here. It's a hair company that sells like extensions and wigs and like ponies and clip-ins and stuff. So they recently reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to try out some of their products, and I said, of course. I mean, some of their products look so cool. And I have my package here of stuff, so I thought I'd do kind of like an unboxing slash try on camera and give you guys my honest review on this. So you're gonna be trying it out with me. This video is not sponsored by INH. They did gift this product to me, but we're really gonna see if this brand is worth the hype, if their products are good quality and everything like that. So we're gonna go through the application process. I'm gonna show you what I got, and I'm super excited. So I got two products from them, so let's just go in here and open them up. All right, says loading, pretty things inside. All right, woo, stuff falling. So here is the pony. So this is the first product I got. This is the Ariana Grande ponytail. So it's a super long pony. They also have the Mia, which is like still long but shorter than this one. This one goes like past your butt type thing, and I got mine in the shade black brown. And what's so cool about this brand is they can actually help you pick out your color and kind of get the best match. So you can actually just DM them on Instagram and they will help you match your color. You just send them a picture of your hair. It's so easy. So I love that they do that because it makes it really easy for shoppers to find their perfect match. So that's like a really key point for customer service so far. But and I had no issues with like orders and stuff, and I live in Canada and they came super fast, which is awesome. This also came with this cute bag. I actually love this. I love the color. This is just says insert name here on the front. It's beautiful lilac color. This is actually awesome, and if you want to take these wigs and hair pieces traveling, makes it perfect to travel with. So let's just open up this ponytail right here. It comes in a hairnet, which is awesome to keep it nice and foolproof. Oh, okay. Looks like a good shade, so I'm excited about that. I'm just taking it out of the hairnet. Oh my god, this is so long and so thick. It honestly feels really nice. This is synthetic hair, but it honestly feels really nice for synthetic hair. And then you have this little piece right here that you would use to wrap around the clip, and this just is a Velcro. So you just open this up. Oh my god, it's so long. Like, look. Okay, so here it is to my head. Keep going and going and going and going and going. It's so long. I'm so excited to put this in. Oh my goodness. I can already tell they're like high quality products, just like they claim to be on their website. That's amazing. Like, just from the feel of this, it feels so soft and so nice. As I said before, they do have the Mia ponytail. I'll post a picture of it on the screen, which is shorter if you don't want like this long. It's still really long for a ponytail. I just really wanted to go extra with the Ariana Grande one. And Ariana Grande actually wore the Mia ponytail in her In My Head video. That's crazy. So if Aria likes these ponytails, that means they're good quality. Am I right? All right, so let's read up a bit on the Ari ponytail. So this is the long straight ponytail. As you can see, the hair is perfectly straight. It's 35 inches in length, and the color matches me perfectly, which is awesome. There's a Velcro wrap base, so it just Velcros around your hair. Can be worn high, mid, low, or braided, which is nice because then you can kind of manipulate this and wear it however you want and style it however you want. This is a limited edition product, and this one retails for $65 US. And these come in a bunch of shades. Actually, like, you get a pretty good shade selection, and as I said before, they can help you match. So we're gonna put this in. So the next package is this right here. This one came in a big box. This is the wig I got, and I'm excited to show you guys this because I don't think you will be really expecting this color from me. And here is the box. It just says insert name here. So let's open it up. I actually love this little box. It's so cute. Here is the inside of the box. Really cute. And we have another bag. This one is pink. Really cute as well. I love these. These are perfect for, like, I can even use them for makeup travel or something. Obviously they'll be nice to store wigs in. So first we have the hairnet, because this is a wig, so you need the hairnet to kind of keep all the rest of your hair in place. And guys, this is the wig I got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So again, comes in a nice hairnet to keep it all safe, and then there's even tissue inside to keep good form. So here is the wig. I might have to just brush it out a little bit because this one has curly, wavy hair. Look how long it is, and look at the color, guys. It's like bright lilac purple. So this one right here is the style Keke. So cute. When I saw this one, I'm like, okay, this is something I can never do with my hair. You know, like I can put it up in ponies, I can do like a bun or whatever, but this is something I could never do on my own unless I dyed my hair, which I probably wouldn't. So I thought, why not have fun, give something like this a go. So as I said, this is the Keke style. This is made out of Japanese synthetic fiber. It's a full density wig, and it's 22 inches in length, so it is still pretty long. This is a platinum lavender wig, and then you got the brown on top, which I like because it just kind of fades down into it. I think that makes it look a little more natural. And this has layers in it too, like you got the shorter pieces in here, which I like, and then it is like a wavy curly style, which I think is really cute. And the cap is pre-cut, and it's breathable Swiss lace. It has adjustable bands and comb clips for a secure and comfortable fit, which is awesome. As far as styling this, it is pre-styled, so they don't recommend like heat styling it. You won't be able to get it back to the original, so they do recommend that you keep it like this, but you can brush out the waves to kind of soften the curls, and you can spray it down with water to kind of get it to its original style. I saw it on the website like braided too, like they braided these front pieces, so you can do a lot with it, which is nice. So let's get into applying. All right, so I think I'm going to start off with the Keke wig. Let's start off nice and fun. So what I'm going to do is take down my hair, and I'm going to put it into 2 French braids real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so I just put my hair into 2 French braids just because I have longer hair, and I've watched some videos, and people with longer hair did this just because it's easier to make it all flat on your head. If you have shorter hair, you could probably just put it into a low bun or something. But I thought this would be easier. And then I'm just going to take some bobby pins and pin the braids up. So I just put up the hair, I just bobby pinned it in, and hopefully this will work. It feels pretty flat down, so should be good. And the wig is really thick, so it should kind of cover everything, and hopefully this works out. And then here is the cap. I've never put on a wig before, so this is gonna be interesting. Oh, you get 2, which is nice, just in case one breaks or something. So it's awesome that this comes with this. Oh, this is a look. It's too much on my forehead, that's why. I don't want my ears in here. All right, I think that is good. And I also saw people like taking out their baby hairs a little bit, because since the wig has that top that's like my hair color, I think it'll blend a little bit more. All right, let's try to put this on. I think I have to put it on like this. Oh boy. We're gonna have to brush this out and make it look. I have to like adjust this. So it has these clips. Just gonna brush it out a little bit. They said you can brush these out, and then the style should remain the same. I'm just brushing it out a little to give it a softer look. But I do like that it has like the layers and the soft curls in there. This is how I usually style my hair, so works out perfect. Let's try like styling it. I always like using these little clips, so just gonna like do that. Oh, that's pretty. That's really cute, actually. Should I do the other side or just one? This is honestly so cute, and the hair actually feels really soft, which is awesome. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long it is. So it is fairly long. So here is Keke on. I'm honestly really impressed with the quality and everything. I like it, and I kind of like the colored hair on me. I think it's a fun twist, and if you want, you know, just something to play around with, something a little bit different, this might be something you might be interested in. Just change it up a little bit if you're going to like an event or a fun party or something, and you just want a complete hair transformation. I do not mind this, actually. I think the purple is really cute. So this one gets a thumbs up from me. So now let's try on the Ariana pony. I'm just gonna take this out Honestly, I'm kind of obsessed with this hair. I love the purple. I'm like, should I dye my hair purple? No, I wouldn't, but I think it's actually so cute. I could definitely see myself wearing this to like a fancy event or a party or something and just switching up my look a little bit. So let's just take this off. Ooh, and I will say these are pretty breathable. I didn't get like hot under there. It didn't feel like too heavy or anything. So I'm impressed by that as well. I'm gonna take out the braids. I'm just gonna brush out the hair. And I do high ponies all the time, so I'm really excited for this. And I'll give you guys a little high pony tutorial here too. After I've brushed out everything, I'm gonna use a natural fiber brush and use this to really smooth out the hair. And spray some hairspray. And then use the brush again to really lock down those flyaways and everything. And use my hand to smooth over everything and really make sure there's no bumps, no flyaways. I want that ponytail to be really super duper tight. I really recommend one of those natural fiber brushes if you want a really smoothed out pony. Tie it up nice and high. And now because I have long hair, I've seen a couple people do a pony from them with long hair. And what I've seen done is just making a bun on your head. I have thick hair, so we'll see if this works, and if not, we'll try a different method. I'm just going to pin it down. I'm gonna grab the ponytail, turn it to the side and do this. So basically, I'm gonna take this little clip right here and just jam it down into the bun. I'm just gonna be careful with the Velcro, so I'm gonna take all the hair, move it over here. Lift it up a little bit, and I'm gonna wrap this piece around. Comes with a little pin, 2 pins actually. So I'm gonna grab those and use them to pin in this excess piece. Okay, I'm gonna just brush it out a little bit, slightly. I think the bun idea actually worked. There's so much hair, oh my god. That actually worked. It's pretty high, but I like my ponies to be high. So here it is on my head. So long. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see it again. It goes all the way down to my waist. So long. Oh, I actually really like this. Oh my god. It is a little heavier just because it's such a long pony, but I think it's a look, honestly. I'm really loving this. It's so long, but I think it's something unique and something different, and I'm really loving this look. So guys, what do you think of the Ari pony? I think it is so cute. I wish you guys could see it all on camera, but it's so long. Oh my goodness. I actually love it so much. I feel like this is something I would actually wear, to be honest. Like, I would wear this, you know, out somewhere. It is really long and really extra, but it's kind of fun to be really extra sometimes, so I really like it. I'm honestly so impressed with both the hair products I tried out today. I thought they were awesome, and I'm definitely a fan of INH Hair. I think they make amazing quality products from what I've tried, and I'm definitely interested to try more. I thought these were amazing. I love the quality. I love this pony so much. If you guys want like a really long, great quality pony, this might be something you will be interested in. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me trying out some products. This was my 100% like honest review of all these products, and you guys saw like I unboxed them all with you guys. I tried them out straight on camera. Sorry, I keep playing with my hair. I'm just so excited about this. I love the purple wig. I'm really impressed with that quality too, because I wasn't sure how a wig was gonna go, and the pony is honestly really fun and easy to use. I kind of want to do an Ariana Grande makeup tutorial, hair and makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see that, let me know down below in the comments. So yeah guys, this is all I have to say about INH Hair. I think they're amazing. I'll leave their rundown below below and their website so you guys can shop. If you're looking for products like this, I think they're really fun to just change up your hair, and they have a ton of stuff on their website, so you're definitely gonna find something you like on there. I'm excited to use these in like makeup tutorials and stuff just to jazz them up a little bit. But I hope you guys are having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching this. If you've tried INH Hair and recommend any other hair products for them, leave them down below in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.